The EU-African Consortium of the Step Up project brings together farmers from Germany, the Netherlands, Uganda and Kenya to contribute to food security and sustainable development in sub-Saharan Africa. The group of researchers, together with local actors, seeks for entry points to enhance equitable commercial relationships between small farm enterprises and markets. Within the frame of sustainable agriculture production, we focus on the heterogeneous groups of smallholder farmers with an entrepreneurial ambition. Step Up has participatory implemented selected sustainable intensification and market linkage strategies into the value chain of banana and mango in Uganda and Kenya. The promising technologies identified were further co-designed for multiple stakeholders, including government and farmer cooperatives. In the case study regions, Step Up and partners conducted trainings to support sustainable intensification of farms and the transition to commercial enterprises. Involved key actor groups, local authorities and decision makers were provided with instruments and information for discussion and decision support, based on participatory ex ante and ex post impact assessments to minimize trade-offs in all sustainability dimensions. On the basis of co-developed, locally relevant sustainable principles, criteria and indicators, Step Up informs policy implementation towards a supportive public policy environment.
My name is Losenge Turop, JKU at Kenya. During the implementation of the Step Up project, we were able to identify various interventions with farmers. One is to do with crop production and crop management. 2, to do with post-harvest and value addition. 3, to do with linkages and partnership. 4, to do with product and product development. And we specifically trained on pest and disease management, particularly on mango fruit fly. Secondly, with mango seed weevils, which are very major pests in Kenya. We worked with various partners, or we linked farmers to various partners, private industries such as Koteva Agrosciences, which is an international organization, international research institutions such as ICIPE, African Center for Technology. Fourth, we did with development partners such as World Bank, which came with an ARIC project that helped in provision of solar dryers. Government of Kenya, particularly the county government of Kitui and the State Department of Agriculture of Kenya. We worked with the farmers to develop certain products, and some of those products are mango flakes that are dried using cellular technologies. And we have products that are available now locally and they're being marketed internationally. Thank you.
I am reporting on mango production in Kitui County, Kenya, where farmers expressed challenges they were facing, which included quality and post-harvest losses. And through Step Up project, research was conducted. Farmers were trained on best agricultural practices and value addition in mango value chain. And as a result, many farmers practices leading to increased yields, reduced post-harvest losses, better product attributes, and disease and pest-free products. The project collaborated with County Government of Kitui and National Agricultural and Rural Inclusive Growth Project in innovating a processing unit for drying mangoes, which proved an ideal method of reducing post-harvest losses, thus increasing returns.
Collaboration with different types of local actors is important for Step Up to create long-lasting impact through the co-creation of interventions and improved practices. In Uganda, Step Up closely collaborated with the Banana Agronomy Project, which focused on sustainable intensification of smallholder banana farming systems. We also work with Grain Pulse as we test their specific fertilizer blend for banana in demonstration plots. In Kenya, Step Up collaborates with the NARIC project, aiming at increasing agricultural productivity and profitability of rural communities. We further work with KEFIS in developing certification standards and with Corteva in the development of trainings around eco-friendly pest control. In conclusion, we identified 3 success factors of our project. Firstly, stakeholder engagement is important in the creation of a shared vision, the implementation of interventions, and in harnessing diversity, including gender. Secondly, we combine push and pull factors by focusing both on sustainable intensification and on improving market linkages. Thirdly, we used mixed methods by combining quantitative with qualitative information, studying both current and future systems, and by focusing not only on implementation of interventions, but also on assessing their effects and on capacity building of local actors. Thank you very much for your attention.